Hey squad, welcome to day 4 of the 7-day refresh. I'm Jazz, and today's 10-minute workout is focusing on arms, and these workouts are primarily for seniors and beginners, but all fitness levels are welcome. Let's get some weights ready to go, let's get a mat ready to go, let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. Okay everyone, let's quickly snag a long resistance band, maybe a long towel, but if you have neither of those, that's not a problem. We're just gonna get those arm rotations going, okay? So make sure you have a nice wide grip, so make sure it's not too tight, but if you don't have a long resistance band or a towel, a long towel, you can just give me the arm circles, okay? So just forward arm circles, warming up those arms, warming up the shoulders, biceps and triceps here. And just keep that going nice and easy. Bring it up over that head, try to touch your booty, and then bring it forward, try to touch that lower abdominal region. Hope you're having a great day wherever you're at. We're on day 4 of the 7-day refresh. We're cruising along. If this is your first day, welcome, but if this is day 4, welcome back. All right, team. So just get these arm rotations going and then we'll get started soon. All right, excellent team. Okay, let's place those resistance bands or towels to the side and let's get started. Okay, as you can see, we're gonna get the 21s going. Okay, so make sure you have some nice light to light medium weights for this. You're gonna give me as many rounds as you can. Okay, you're gonna go from low to high, okay, high to mid, sorry. You're gonna go from low to mid, okay, then mid to high, and then you're gonna go give me that full curl. All right, so palms are facing outward, okay, light weights on this one, all right, or if you have a barbell, that's cool too, okay? So you're gonna give me 7, 7, 7, and 7, totaling set 21, and then you're just gonna keep repeating that until I say stop, okay? Here we go, team. 3, 2, 1, and go. So low to mid first. Give me 7.
You are listening to Dr. Jazz.
7, and then on that 7th one, go mid to high. 2. Nice and steady, team. Elbows tight, palms facing upward. Okay, and then once you get your 7, give me a full curl, low to high. Okay, and just repeat that. So low to mid. Mid to high. And then that full curl. Give me a total of 7 each. If you're on round 2, heck yeah. All right, team, rest it up. Great job, okay? I want everybody to snag a mat. Let's carefully bring your beautiful selves down. But first, grab a nice medium weight and then a light medium weight, okay? We're gonna do the skull crusher drop set. So we're gonna do 2 sets of this. So grab a heavier weight. So I'm gonna start with a nice 15 pound and then going to a 10, okay? But if you don't have access to those weights, just stay with 1, that's fine, okay? Let's first start with our heavier weight, okay? So let's lay on those backs, get those weights up, carefully put those heads down, okay? Elbows tight, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. So you're just moving those forearms, keeping the top part of our arm, so the bicep and the tricep part, nice and stable. Literally just moving that forearm, bending at the elbows, bringing that weight right above our forehead here. Inhale down, exhale up. Really flex those triceps when you bring the weights up. Okay, got 1 heavier weight, holding it on the sides, and then we're gonna get that lighter weight going soon. Nice little drop set, going from heavier to lighter. All right, team, good job. Carefully switch, okay, snag the lighter weight now. Bring those weights up, okay, nice and high. 3, 2, 1, and continue. Same exact thing with the lighter weight. I'm sure it feels great, but we're still a little, you know, my muscles, my triceps are a little fatigued here, but we're still pushing through, really pushing through the fatigue with the lighter weight. All right, team, looking good. Let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. All right, almost there, beauties.
You are now listening to Dr. Jazz.
All right, beautiful. Rest it up. Carefully bring those weights down. Bring your beautiful selves up. Okay, up next, we have the, crap, what do we have? The heavy hammer curls and holds. All right, my apologies. Had a little blank on that one. Okay, so heavy hammer curls with the holds. Hammer curls, we're having those palms facing each other, okay? Weights are onto the side. All right, so get a heavier set of weights here, team. All right, I'm gonna do 15 pounds, okay? Really challenging our strength here, all right? And we're really holding those weights when I call for it, okay? Here we go, stagger stance, doesn't matter which leg is forward. 3, 2, 1, and go, okay? We're curling it right here. Nice and steady, elbows tight, abs tight. Let's go. All right, bring it halfway and hold. Bring it halfway and hold, let's go. Beautiful, team, hold, hold, hold. And continue, go. Woo! Oh yeah. All right, that hold, let's go, another hold. That hold adds up. Let's go, team, good job. Hammer curls here, palms facing each other. Continue curling, let's go. All right, rest it up, team, great job. Get a quick swig of water if you need it. Bring those weights back down to the lighter weight for the 21s, and we'll get right to it, okay, team? All right, here we go, squad. So we're gonna get those 21s, low to mid, mid to high, and then those full curls. Let's get after it, round 2, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So low to mid, really targeting our arms today, really well. Give me 7, and then go mid to high. Looking good, team. Keep it up. And then those full curls. All right, team, great job. Keep it up. Woo! Biceps after those heavy hammer curls into this is rough. But keep pushing, team. Keep pushing through that fatigue. Let's go. Woo! Almost there.
You are listening to Dr. Jazz.
Elbows tight. All right, rest it up, team. Great job. Let's get those mats ready to go. Okay, let's get those skull crushers going. Carefully bring your beautiful selves down to that floor or a comfortable spot on the floor here, okay? Remember, grab that heavier weight. Okay, I'm actually going spicy with this 20 pounder first, and I'm gonna go 12 and a half. All right, so a heavier weight and then a lighter weight. Okay, holding it on the sides. Let's get after it, beauties. Get that heavier weight first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Woo! Pushing through these arm workouts quickly in these 10 minutes, team. Just moving those forearms, bending at the elbows here. Inhale down, exhale up, squad. Holding it on the sides here. Let's go, team. Feel it in the back part of our arms, those triceps. All right, let's switch it to that lighter weight now. Okay, carefully bring those weights up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Looking good, team. Keep it up. Great job. Remember, just moving the forearms, that's it. Inhale down, exhale up, squad. Almost there. All right, rest it up, team. Beautiful, okay? Quickly bring your beautiful selves up. All right, and let's get those heavy hammer curls going again. We're pushing through this, team. Let's go. I think we got one more round of these heavy hammer curls, and then with the holds, and then one more 21. All right, squad, here we go. Let's get those weights ready. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Stagger stance, curl it up, let's get it. Elbows tight. Give you a little profile view here. All right, everybody hold, halfway hold, let's go. Elbows tight, let's go, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. All right, beauties, continue, let's go. All right, halfway hold. Let's go, halfway hold. Woo! Biceps are on fire. Let's go, squad. And continue with the curls, let's go. All right, team, great job. Take a quick little breather. Excellent. Okay, get some light weights here. Okay. And let's get those 21s going. All right, final push. Here we go, squad, final push. Let's go, day 4. 21s, 3, 2, 1, go. Mid, low to mid here. Give me your 7, mid to high. And then that full curl. Woo! Keep it up, team, almost there. Let's go, let's go. Low to mid, mid to high. And then that full curl. Elbows tight. Try not to sway, abs tight. All right, beautiful job, team. Excellent, woo, done, rest, rest, rest. All right, there you go, day 4. Day 4 of 7, or day 4 of 7. Great work today, team. My arms are on fire. Hope yours are too. Excellent job today, team. Have a great day wherever you're at, okay? Continue having a great day wherever you're at. And hope to see you at day 5 of the 7-day refresh, or I'll see you in another class soon. All right, love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Adios.